We're going to start the slip stitch section of the Capricorn cowl. You should have knitted 6 rows of half twisted rib, then knitted 2 rows of garter stitch. You should have 105 stitches on your needles. Without cutting yarn color A, change to color B. We're going to start knitting 1 stitch, then take the yarn to the front and slip 4 stitches purlwise from the left needle to the right one. Then take the yarn to the back so you knit the following 4 stitches. Now we're going to repeat until the end of the row. Slip 4 stitches with yarn in front, knit 4 stitches. As you knit this stitch, you'll notice how important it is to maintain the tension of the slip stitches, not too tight, not too loose. And as you knit this pattern, you'll see that no matter what color or row you're working, there should be 2 groups of stitches, 4 slip stitches and 4 knitted stitches. Row 2. Knit the first stitch like in every row of color B. Then knit the second stitch, bring the yarn to the front, slip 4 stitches, bring the yarn to the back, and knit 3 stitches. We are going to repeat this until the end of the row. Knit 1, slip 4 stitches with yarn in front, and knit 3 stitches. We're actually creating the same pattern than the row before. 4 slip stitches with a carry strand and 4 knitted stitches. And we have moved that carry strand 1 stitch to the left. Row 3. Knit the first stitch and the next 2 stitches. You'll know how many stitches you need to knit after this first stitch because 1 stitch of color A needs to go. Bring yarn to the front, slip 4 stitches purlwise, and knit 2 stitches. We're going to repeat this until the end of the row. Knit 2, slip 4 with yarn in front, and knit 2. Begin row 4 by knitting 1 stitch. Then you know 1 stitch of color A needs to go, so we're going to knit 3 stitches. Bring yarn to the front, slip 4 stitches, and knit 1. We are going to repeat this until the end of the row. Knit 3 stitches, slip 4 with yarn in front, and knit 1. Row 5. Knit 1 stitch and then knit the next 4 stitches. Bring yarn to the front, slip 4 stitches. And you'll repeat until the end of the row. Knit 4 stitches, slip 4 stitches with yarn in front. So we end the row with 4 slip stitches with yarn in front. Without cutting the yarn, drop color B and grab color A. For row 6, knit 1 stitch with the new color, bring yarn to the front, slip 4 stitches purlwise, and knit 4. Repeat this until the end of the row. Slip 4 stitches with yarn in front, knit 4. You'll know you're doing it right because you'll see the carried strand over 4 color B stitches and 4 color A knitted stitches over the last carried yarn. Knit the last 4 stitches. Row 7 begins with 1 slip stitch with yarn in front. and continues by slipping 3 more stitches. So we have our total of 4 slip stitches. Knit 4 stitches and slip 1 with yarn in front. We are going to repeat this. Slip 3 stitches with yarn in front, knit 4, slip 1 stitch with yarn in front. You'll know you're doing it right because the color 8 carry strands lean to the right this time. We end row 7 with 1 slip stitch with yarn in front. Begin row 8 by slipping 1 stitch with yarn in front and then 2 more stitches. Knit 4 stitches and slip 2 stitches with yarn in front. Continue row 8 by slipping 2 stitches with yarn in front, knitting 4 stitches and slipping 2 stitches with yarn in front. End the row with 2 slip stitches with yarn in front. Row 9. Slip 1 stitch with yarn in front and slip 1 more to complete the 4 slip stitches. Then knit 4 and slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. Repeat this until the end of the row. Slip 1 stitch with yarn in front, knit 4, slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. Begin row 10 by slipping 1 stitch so you have the 4 slip stitches together. Then knit 4 stitches, bring yarn to the front and slip 4 stitches. Repeat this until the end of the row. Knit 4, slip 4 with yarn in front. When you get to the end of the row and you have slipped the last 4 stitches, drop color A yarn and grab color B again. You'll repeat rounds 1 to 10 3 more times.